Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the unit and the environment. Plug the Vision air cooler into a dedicated 120V outlet, grounded. Once done, open the water tank and fill to the max line with clean water, or add a single ice pack for a quick boost. Make sure to position the cooler on a flat surface with at least 12 inches clearance around all vents. This allows proper airflow and prevents the motor from overheating while you power on for the first cycle. Next, configure airflow and cooling. Start at low fan and test oscillation to determine coverage, then increase speed to reach comfort quickly. Choose cool mode when water is in the tank. Switch to fan only for dry days. Use the timer to run for 8 hours if you won't be present. Also, manually set the louver angle so air is directed where you sit. This optimizes evaporative cooling efficiency and prevents uneven moisture in the room. To finish, monitor performance and perform quick maintenance. After long runs, drain and dry the tank and wipe the exterior. Clean or rinse the filter every 2 weeks to maintain airflow, otherwise efficiency drops. If airflow seems weak, turn off, unplug, then check that the fan spins freely, the filter is clean, and the water level is correct. If you see leaks, inspect the tank seal, the drain plug, and any hose connections. Tighten or replace parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.